Hello, this is Shamim from Intellexel. I'm with another tutorial. This is Python Basic to Advanced. I'm gonna start making this series again, and I think it will help you a lot from this playlist. So I've been making 180 videos here, and I'm gonna give you so many informations to you so that you understand how the programming language works and how the conditions you are going to apply in your any kind of applications. Or if you want to switch data science, you probably choose the Python as a programming language or core language. So these will help you a lot. So this basic to advanced playlist will start from now. So let's have a look how the context we have. So this is Python, and our agenda is what? Let's see. So first of all, this is introduction of Python. We're going to discuss about properly so how Python works and why Python it is important. And another part is control statement in Python, and the Python strings, Python list, Python tuples, Python dictionary, Python functions, Python OOP. So Python OOP means object oriented programming. So from this part, it is a basic part. So introduction Python, control statement in Python, Python strings, list, tuples, dictionary, functions, OOP. These portions of the basic part. So these will be advanced. So if you want to switch software development or data science or what kind of things, you must know these things properly. This is Python files, how you make or build your files. This is Python method. You should make a method, and you should know how the Python modules work. And this is exceptions, Python date, and MySQL is a database. Probably this database will help you to understand how data works and how you store your data in your database. And the thing is Django, my another tutorial Django will go on, and I have been making at least 5 videos in Django. So I'm carrying on these tutorials again, and I'm gonna upload these Django tutorials regularly again. So keep your eyes on my YouTube channel. Probably it will help you to understand, to know the Django how it works. And finally, we're solving some problem with using Python that basically help you to understand the whole things of Python programming language. Another is what is Python, and there is something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna start giving some silly informations you probably you want to know, because if you start a language, you should know some informations of the background, how Python comes and who was the founder of the Python. So Python is a popular programming language, and it was created by Guido van Rossum, and it was released in 1991. So many days ago, almost 30 years, almost 30 to 35 years gone. And it is a generalized and dynamic, high-level and interpreted programming language. And it is also an object-oriented programming approach to develop the applications, and it provides a lot of high-level data structure. So the most important thing is Python is a very easy and powerful, versatile scripting language you probably get from the Python, and it's attractive application development. So why you used for this language? So it is used for, it's easy to learn and use, expressive language, interpreted language, cross-platform language, free and open source, object-oriented language, extensible, large standard library, and GUI programming support integrated. So this is things where you can use this language. So this is a core language of Python, and you can use a versatile sector in this website. So feature of Python, let's have a look. First of all, web application. Now you can learn Flask or Django. So this is will help you to be a to be a web developer, and probably you can take a Django as a uh, feature. Django is a Python's library, and you can use this Django using web development, or you can start making any kind of web application. Django will help you. So desktop, you can start making desktop application at the same time using Python. Software development, scientific and numeric task, business application, console based application, audio video based application, 3D CAD application, enterprise application, application for images, artificial intelligence and hacking. So many features it has, and you can use one feature using Python. So basically, our main goal will be learning Python. We'll be learning Python basically. uh, we want to learn data science using Python, so we start learning Python's core basic, and at the same time we start learning web applications using Django. So my another tutorial or another playlist based on Django, it's going on. So Python will help you if you want to learn Django. So you can watch my Django tutorial as well. So Python developer environment, so which code editor you are going to use learning Python. Basically I want to use IDE PyCharm or VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So for both I'm using. So I probably I'm going to use Visual Studio Code or VS Code, or in some cases PyCharm. Basically I'm learning, or I'm start making my tutorial on the base of on the base of Django using PyCharm. So learning Python, probably I'm using PyCharm at the same time. Okay, so this is the things: IDE settings, PyCharm, how you can start downloading PyCharm from Google. It's very easy. You just go and start download from Google, and using this IDE. But IDE or PyCharm is not a free. Probably you can download in your student version. It's totally free. But VS Code is very usable, very and free and very comfortable. So that's why I probably start making this code using VS Code. So thank you. This is all about the feature of Pythons, and this is the context of the Pythons in my tutorial, and probably it will help you a lot to understanding the Python basic and advanced level Python, and all the code things I'm discussing properly, so that you can understand, and your any kind of confusions probably remove in my watching my videos or playlist. Thank you so much. Bye bye.